Quora is one of the most underrated platforms for affiliate marketing, and most people have no idea how powerful it actually is. Today, I'll show you the exact method to get 1,000 of views on your answers, drive free traffic every single day, and earn commissions without getting your account flagged. I have used this strategy to get answers ranking on Google, pulling in traffic every single day, and every answer becomes a passive affiliate link machine. So if you want a full step-by-step blueprint how to promote affiliate links on Quora with free traffic, from writing viral answers to placing your affiliate links, watch this video until the end and let's get started. I have been doing this business, guys, for over 6 years, and I'm making over $30,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video, I'll show you my method with Quora. Okay, this is my affiliate account dashboard, and just this month, guys, the month of November, I have made $35,625, okay, in commissions. And just last month I have made $34,910, and it's paid. This is my invoice, this is the payment, and it's paid, as you can see over here. Okay, anyway, I'm here to show you how we can also promote your affiliate links on Quora to start making commissions every single day. So step number one is you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program. So you need to create an affiliate account like this one. So this is my affiliate account dashboard. So for you, what you will do is you will go to Google and you will search for Fiverr. Okay, search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down. The sign up process is super easy, and of course you can sign up just using your email address for free. Once you finish, just come to this page, scroll down, go to company and click here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can scroll down so you can get more info, more details about how much you will earn if you start promoting services with Fiverr, because we will start promoting services as Fiverr affiliate marketers, and they are really paying good commissions, guys. Some commissions can be up to 70% of the first order, which is really crazy. The best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyer makes in the next 12 months. So for example, if you promote a service and one customer buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn 70% of his first order. If this person, the same person, will keep buying more services for the next 12 months inside Fiverr, you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr. You can turn this into a passive income. Okay, and this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start as a beginner. They are really paying good commissions. So what you need to do next, guys, is you just need to go back to this page here and just click here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You can see here you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, confirm your password, account type, make it private. They will ask you, do you have a main source of traffic? Choose yes, so your account can get approved fast. And here you will just need to put your like your social media profiles links, for example, like your YouTube channel link or your Facebook page link, your Instagram page link, so it's clear. And here click on country and choose your country. You guys can start this business from everywhere, from anywhere, like from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Click here and choose your language. If you have Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You should see your commissions, your clicks, your CTR, people who used your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used your affiliate link to buy those services that you are promoting. What you will do next is you need to choose a good services that you will start promoting on Quora. You cannot promote any services or just guessing which services can work. This business doesn't work like this. You will keep struggling and you can't make commissions if you are working like this. So what you will do next, pay close attention. Go back to Google and search for Quora. like this. Okay, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. It's for free, of course. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Quora. Okay, so this will be your Quora homepage. Okay, and by the way, guys, Quora has a lot of traffic. You guys can see here that Quora has 464 million monthly visitors. That's a lot of traffic. You guys can get so much traffic from Quora. A lot of people are sleeping on Quora. Guys, Quora can get you a lot of traffic as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so what you will do next, pay close attention. This will be your Quora homepage. Click here on the search and search for, let's search for example for topic about video editor, for example, like this. Search for this topic and here you go. You will find here a lot of people searching for video editors. Look at like this one. Look, guys, who are the best YouTube video editors? You can see here, and this question, guys, is following by is followed by almost 400 people. Everyone who follow this question will get a notification if you answer this question. Okay, which is really good. So always choose questions that has a lot of followers. So because those people who are following questions, they are also interested to know what's the best video editors. Okay, also like this one, you can see who are some of the best video editors. I'm talking about people, not softwares. Okay, you see like this question also is followed by 127 people. Okay, which is good. So we find now that we have an audience on Quora who search for video editors. So what you will do for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you will go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage and search for video editing. You also can see here that it's already popular right now on Fiverr because this video editing service, guys, has high demand. Okay, so which is good. So I will click on video editing, search for video editing, scroll down, and you will find a lot of people here who provide this service on Fiverr. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? Always choose like level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, and pro sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews. So for example, let me choose one of those sellers. So for example, like we have really a lot of people here who provide this service, like this one, guys. You can see this one. I will professionally edit your YouTube video, which is really good. Like this seller is top rated seller, has over 1000 reviews. You can see here. Okay, so this one is a good one. So for you, what you will do, you will click on this seller service, click on the seller service, and here you go. This is the proof. High demand, guys. That's what I'm talking about. I'm sharing with you here everything clear. I'm sharing with you everything that you need that you can use to make your first commissions. Okay, you guys can see that everything is clear with the proofs. The numbers don't lie. You can see here 84 orders in queue, over 3,000 people paid for this service. People keep coming back. This service is evergreen service, meaning that people can keep buying this service from you again and again, and you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction each person will make on Fiverr. Okay, so it's really good. Okay, so what you will do, guys, is you will copy the link of this seller. Copy the link of this seller, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate link. If you are promoting pro services, you will scroll more down and this will be your affiliate link. This one, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are promoting pro services, you will copy your affiliate link from here. If you are promoting level 1, level 2 top rated sellers, you will copy your affiliate link from here. And for me, I do have this Fiverr CPA old plan because I do have an old Fiverr affiliate account, like I said in the beginning, guys, that I have been doing this business for over 6 years. That's why I still have this option. Okay, and that's fine. It's the same. Even this one, Fiverr Pro new plan, it's even better. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, is you need to promote your affiliate link on Quora. Okay, and by the way, guys, if you are serious about starting affiliate marketing and you want a clear step-by-step system, I put everything I personally use inside my course. It's the exact strategy I use to generate consistent affiliate commissions every single day. Inside my course, I show you how you can start from zero, how to pick a profitable niches, where you can promote your affiliate links. You will get access to all my profitable services that I'm promoting and so much more. How you can set up everything and how you can scale and so much more. Feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my YouTube videos description and I will get back to you with all the details. Okay? Anyway, let's complete the video, guys. So what we need to do next is we need to promote this affiliate link on Quora. So let's go to Quora. So go back to Quora, okay? And what you will do next, let's choose one of those questions here. We have, who are some of the best video editors? I'm talking about people, not software. Like, this question is a good one, okay? It's followed by 127 people, okay, which is good. So what you will do next, you will click here on answer, okay, and you will answer this question. So what you will do next, pay close attention. You will copy this question, okay, pay close attention and go to ChatGPT, okay, and ask ChatGPT, okay, answer this. So guys, just go to ChatGPT and ask him, answer this Quora question with good SEO to rank on Google and make it short and include my website link to the video editor. Put the Quora question here, and here you go. ChatGPT will give you this answer that can rank on Google and keep getting traffic, okay? Which is really good. If you are looking for the best video editors, actually people, not software, the top ones usually share three things: creativity, fast delivery, and strong storytelling skill. Here you go. So what you will do for you as an affiliate marketer, you will just copy this, okay? So scale editors like this, focus on, okay, let's go. I will copy this answer. It's a good, strong, SEO friendly Quora answer that you can use. Go to Quora and put your answer here, okay? In this part here, what you will do here is you will put your website link or your landing page that you are using. You cannot promote affiliate links directly on Quora. Your account can get banned and you will not get any traffic. So it's better to use a landing page or an affiliate website. How you can copy your affiliate link? You will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, to this one, and you will copy your affiliate link from here and put this affiliate link. Let's go to Quora. Put this affiliate link in your affiliate website or in your landing page, and always use your landing page or your affiliate website link here, okay? And after you finish, you will just click on post, okay? And your post will be published on Quora, and those people who are following this question will get a notification. They will check this answer. If it's really, if you are promoting good, like I said, good sellers, that they will provide good service, good editing service for those people who are searching for video editors, you will earn a commission. They will buy and you will earn a commission, okay? So just click on post, and that's exactly how we can promote affiliate links on Quora. And for people who are asking how much we will earn, let's go back. Let me show you. So guys, this service is starting from $70, okay? You see here, it's just the basic package, okay? If you remember that for this one is not process, let me see, yes, it's top rated seller, okay? You will earn 25% of his first order, okay? For the first orders that will come from your affiliate link, 25%, okay? If we go to ChatGPT and we ask him, what is 25% of $70? It's good commission, guys, okay? $17, okay? And that's how you can promote affiliate links on Quora. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Also, guys, you can go if you want to check my student results that are using my method and my strategies, my personal method, my strategies that I'm using deeper. You can go to my YouTube post here and you can see my student results. Like, this student made $10,385. This student made his first $50, as you can see. I have this student made $8,145 and more, $5,000 and $361, and so much more. I shared my student results here, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just Leave it in the comments. I will answer all your questions, guys. And thank you so much for watching again, and see you in my next videos.